All right, we have a tempered glass screen protector for the Pixel 7a from Caseology. Catch it, beer. All right, looking at the packaging, you have Caseology there, tempered glass screen protector, snap fit. It has an alignment tray to make it easy to install. It's a 2-pack. It's a screen protector for your Pixel 7a, and they do state these are compatible with your Caseology cases that I have on the Pixel 7a. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy. I think you have to pop it out of the case though for it to work. But I'm sure it's also compatible with other cases if you don't want to rock a case from them. But let's go ahead and see what we get when we buy a tempered glass screen protector from Caseology. You have all the tools needed for the install, the alignment tray, the instructions, and the 2 tempered glass screen protectors. We're only going to need one. Let's go ahead and put that aside. Now I do have a film tempered glass screen protector currently installed. Let's go ahead and remove that bad boy. Bam, look at that. I'm actually going to leave it on there and use it as a dust removal sticker. And voila, look at that clean installation. No issues whatsoever. Now, does it work with the fingerprint reader? Absolutely does. Try that again. Maybe it doesn't. Let's go to display, increase touch sensitivity. Try it again. And maybe my fingerprint reader is not working for myself. Let's try something else real quick. All right, I re-registered my thumb, but I think, see, it works just fine. Just re-register your thumb if it's not working correctly, but I don't think I had it registered correctly. Bam, no issues with that. Touch sensitivity feels very good. The super smooth, no issues with the sensitivity. But there you have it, guys. This is the tempered glass screen protector for the Google Pixel 7a. Where is my case? They do state that it's case friendly, so before we leave, let's go ahead and pop it in the case. And it is case friendly. Thanks for watching. Link will be in the description if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.